maybe cannot see. Please see your diagram on your notes. I will start here. So let us consider first this side. Okay, so if n cos theta is equal to, we should add this both, this one. So you can see the diagrams. N cos theta is equal to n cos theta is equal to fs sin theta plus mg. You should consider this side only, this side. Okay, so next is this is our first equation. Next is this side. You should consider this side. So bank of road is this side, like this side. Can you see? This is a plain road, this side. So this side is acting in centripetal force. So equation for centripetal force, 3 fetal, it may be wrong spelling, sorry. Force is equal to mv square by r. So this side is our centripetal force. So I will take as mv square by r is equal to, here there are sin theta and fs cos theta, add them, n sin theta plus fs cos theta. This is our first equation. Let us consider first equation. N cos theta is equal to fs sin theta plus mg. N cos theta is equal to, so before that, by kinetic friction, fs is equal to fs max, static friction max. Okay, so fs max is equal to, is directly proportional to normal reaction. So I want to remove this proportionality term, so I can write fs max is equal to mu s. This is coefficient of static friction, mu s n, as it is write it here. So fs max is equal to mu s. Substitute this in this equation. Let us go back. So in this place I will substitute this one. So let us, instead of fs I will write mu s n. So mu s n and sin theta plus mg. Okay, so now I want to take this one and this one as common factor. So now I will take n cos theta, I will take this term left hand side, minus, this is minus, and mu s n sin theta is equal to mg. Let us consider this as common factor. Cos theta minus mu s, we have taken this as common, so mu s sin theta, okay, is equal to mg. So here n, this is in multiplication form. If it goes here, it converts into division form. N is equal to mg by cos theta minus mu s sin theta, and this is our first equation. So now let us consider second equation. Let me adjust my camera. Now as you can see, this is our second equation. So mv square is equal to mv square by r, sorry for inconvenience, mv square by r is equal to n sin theta plus fs cos theta. So once again I would take Fs as Fs max. So I will write here Fs is equal to Fs Fs max. Again from law of kinetic equation, Fs of max is equal to mu s n. Once again check it here how it came. So I will substitute this equation, this term to this Fs in place of Fs. So mv square by r is equal to n sin theta plus mu s n cos theta. So once mv square by r is equal to I will take once again n factor as common, n sin theta plus mu s cos theta. So by this is our second equation. From 1 and 2 I would compare this equation. So now let me think. So our first equation was n is equal to mg by cos theta minus mu s sin theta, and mv square by r is equal to n of sin theta sin theta plus mu s cos theta. This is our first and second equation. We cancel this n and n. So let us move further here. mv square, this is our left hand side, write it on left hand side. mv square by r is equal to, what are remaining factors, consider them, write this here. mg by cos theta minus mu s sin theta. So this is on numerator, we can write as 1. This is our denominator. So it is on numerator, we should take or we should multiply into sin theta plus mu s cos theta. Okay, so I would take mv square by r mg. So these are same, I will multiply this and let it be this separate. Okay, sin theta plus mu s cos theta divided by cos theta minus mu s sin theta. Next, mv square by, I would take v square by r, I will take this factor, this m to this side. It is in multiplication form, m into v square. So it would get in a division form. It would turn into division form, v square m into g divided by m into sin theta plus mu s cos theta divided by cos theta minus mu s sin theta. So m and m would get cancelled, so remaining is mv. So m square by r j into sin theta plus mu s cos theta divided by cos theta minus mu s sin theta. Later on I will take this r to RHS. It is in division form. It would get convert into multiplication. It will multiply with r. So v square is equal to j into r. I will write gr into sin theta plus mu s cos theta plus mu s of cos theta. Sorry, sin. So it was sin theta, mu s sin theta. So here is our square. If it goes this side, it would get convert into square root. So v square is equal to whole root of gr into sin theta plus mu s cos theta by cos theta plus mu s of sin theta. Right. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಿ ಆರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನು sin theta plus mu s of cos theta divided by cos theta ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ವಾಪಸ್ cos theta by cos theta plus mu s sin theta divided by cos theta. So this get cancelled, this would get cancelled. Next is our whole root of gr into tan theta mu plus mu s divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. Mu s would get cancelled. Remaining is root g. Sorry, this it would get it is just v. So v is equal to gr tan theta, gr into tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Okay, there is no space. Was gr. I will continue here only. Let it be gr of tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to root of gr. If theta is 0, tan theta is 0, this is our case 1. Okay, 0. So root gr by tan theta by 1. If I will not write 1, there is no problem, we can write as tan theta. I got supply.